Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter T. The words we're learning in this book are taco, taxi, tuna, tiger, and tavern. Our special guest words are banana and gift. This is a T. It makes the sound T. Try to say it with me. T. This is a taco. It's a delicious Mexican food. Taco. This is a taxi. People use taxis for transportation. Taxi. This is a tuna. It is a type of fish. Tuna. This is a tiger. It's a powerful wild cat. Tiger. This is a tavern. Tavern. Which word does not belong? Is it taco, banana, taxi, tuna, tiger, or tavern? That's right, it's the banana. Banana does not have a T sound. Let's play again. Which word does not have a T sound? Is it taco, gift, taxi, tuna, tiger, or tavern? That's right, it's the gift. Gift does not have a T sound at the beginning, so it's the odd one out. Now, can you find the taco? That's right, this is the taco. Great work. Now, can you find the taxi? Amazing, this is the taxi. Now, find the tuna. Great work, this is the tuna fish. Can you find the tiger? Exactly, this is the tiger. And now, can you find the tavern? Great, this is the tavern. Repeat after me one more time. Taco, taxi, tuna, tiger, tavern. Good job. Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.